Fenugreek and rosemary hair oil, double boiler method. Let's get it. You want your double boiler to be steaming, not boiling, steaming. Get yourself a sturdy glass jug, 50 grams of fenugreek seeds, 85 grams of dried rosemary herb, 60 ml avocado oil, 60 ml of olive oil, and my personal favorite, 200 grams of pure castor oil. Now, ideally, what you want to do is mix this all up and leave it in a glass jar for 6 to 8 weeks. But we want fast results, so we're going to place it in the double boiler. So leave that in your double boiler for at least an hour, occasionally mixing. After that, you're going to sieve it and you're good to go. I'll show you. So this is what your oil should look like. Beautiful.